I welcome all of you to my class, that is our maths class. So last class I told you we will take new chapter today, subtraction. Subtraction is the third lesson in our book. So we will start subtraction, and already we finished the addition, that is chapter 2. I think all are done the mixed bag problems that I told you. If you can do it in your notebook backside, or you can do it in your textbook itself. If there is space to write the answer in your textbook, you can write the word problems, but the word problems you have to write in the notebook, backside of your notebook. So before starting the lesson, we will watch a video, because we studied in second standard the subtraction of 3-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping. So to recall the subtraction of 3-digit number, we will watch a video. So let us watch the video, and after that video we will start the class.
Subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Example 1. Subtract 413 from 824. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in columns of ones, tens and hundreds. Step 2. Subtract the ones. 4 ones minus 3 ones equals 1 1. Step 3. Subtract the tens. 2 tens minus 1 10 equals 1 10. Step 4. Subtract the hundreds. 8 hundreds minus 4 hundreds equals 4 hundreds. Answer 411.
So I think all are recalled what we learned in the last year by watching that video. That is the video of subtracting 3-digit numbers with regrouping, without regrouping. That we already studied in second standard. So we will start this lesson, third chapter, subtraction. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers. So we will start the class. So we will start how to subtract 4-digit numbers without regrouping. So 4-digit numbers, subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. So I will write here one question. 4375 minus 2014. 2014. 4375 minus 2014. So for a 4-digit number, there are how many places? 4 places. So first, which one here from the right side, which one starting? Ones place. That ones place we will denote it as capital O. And next one, tell me next one, which is the next place? Tens place. That we will denote as capital T. And the next one, hundreds place, that we will denote as a capital H. And the last place, that is the fourth place, is thousands place, that we will denote as capital T and a small h. Capital T and a small h. For a 4-digit number there are 4 places, so we can denote as these letters. So we will start subtraction. Subtraction is taking away. Subtraction is taking away. Addition is putting together. Put together. So first we will start from where? Addition we already studied and we finished that chapter. Addition I told you in that addition lesson, we will start the calculations, that is addition and subtraction from the ones place. From the ones place. So we will start from the ones place. That is here ones place. Which are the numbers in the ones place? 5 and 4. 5 and 4 are the numbers in the ones place. So we have to subtract 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is what? 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. So we will write here 1. Next, which place we have to subtract? Tens place. That is tens place numbers are 7 and 1. What is the answer of 7 minus 1? 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. And again next hundreds place, which is the what are the numbers in that hundreds place? 3 and 0. 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 is what? 3 minus 0 is 3. And when we subtract any number from 0, we will get that number itself. Any number from 0, we will get that number itself. So 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. Next, which place? Thousands place. So which are the numbers in the thousands place? 4 and 2. 4 minus 2 is what? 4 minus 2 is 2. So what is the answer? 2361. So all of you read the answer. 2361. So this is the answer of 4375 minus 2014. This is the subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. So here we have to start the subtraction from the ones place, and we can write the answer tens place, hundreds place, and last place is thousands place. So I will show you 2 more examples of 4-digit subtraction of 4-digit numbers. So now we will look how to do these problems, that is subtraction of 4-digit numbers. So here 4 places are there. I told you from which place we have to start the subtraction, from the ones place. So here ones place numbers are 4 and 3. 4 minus 3 is what? 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 6 minus 6. Next tens place numbers are 6 and 6. 6 minus 6 is what? 6 minus 6 is 0. When we subtract a number from that number, we will get 0 itself. Because if we take any number, any digit number, then if we subtract the number from that number, we will get the answer 0. So 6 minus 6 is 0. And next hundreds place digits are 7 and 2. 7 minus 2 is what? 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. Then again last thousands place digits are 8 and 4. 8 minus 4 is what? 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So all of you read the answer. 4501. 4501. That is the answer of 8764 minus 4263. So next we will do that problem. Second problem. Here the question is 9670 minus 5020. 9670 minus 5020. So here in the ones place, which are the numbers? 0 and 0. So we have to subtract 0 from 0. What we will get? What answer we will get? 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then next is 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is what? 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. Next again 6 minus 0. Hundreds place numbers are 6 and 0. So we have to subtract 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0 is what? I told you, when we subtract a number from 0, we will get that number itself. So 6 minus 0 is 6. When we subtract a number from 0, we will get that number. 6 minus 0 is 6. Then again last, the thousands place digit is what? 9 and 5. 9 minus 5 is what? 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. So all of you read the answer. Read the answer. How will we read this answer? How will we read this number? 4650. 4650 is the answer. So I showed you 2 examples of subtraction of 4-digit numbers. For a 4-digit number, there are 4 places: ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. So we can start subtraction from the ones place. Which place we will start the subtraction from the ones place? Then we can do the next, we will do the tens place numbers, and next hundreds place, and last we can do the subtraction of thousands place numbers. Then we will get the answer. So this is the examples of subtracting 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Next is the word problems of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Word problems of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. So I will show you these word problems through the slides. Then you can easily understand how to do the word problems of 4-digit number, subtraction of 4-digit number. So you have to look the slides to understand the word problems. So I told you we will explain word problems through the slides. Here there is a question. A farmer collected 2,567 oranges from a farm. He sold 1,405 oranges. How many oranges are left? So we have to find how many oranges are left. That word left means we have to subtract to get the answer. So we have to, for a word problem, we know we have to write the statements. So first step is number of oranges collected. We have to write first number of oranges collected. How many oranges he collected? 2,567. Then next step, number of oranges sold. He sold 1,405 oranges. So we have to write the next step as number of oranges sold. So how much? 1,405. Then last step we have to write number of oranges left. That is, we have to find the number of oranges left with him. So for finding the left number of oranges, we have to subtract. That is 2,567 minus 1,405. That is, first we have to start subtraction from the ones place. So 7 here. In the ones place the numbers are 7 and 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 6 minus 0 equals 6. Then next place 5 minus 4 equals 1. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. So what answer we got? We got the answer 1,162. So how many oranges left with him? 1,162 oranges left with him. So the word problem, a farmer collected 2,567 oranges from a farm. He sold 1,405 oranges. How many oranges are left? For that, the answer is 1,162 oranges left. I think all are understood how to find the word problem and how to subtract the problem. So what we studied today? Today we started the new lesson, subtraction, and we studied the subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping and their word problems. So subtraction starts from the ones place. There are 4 places for a 4-digit number. So subtraction starts from the ones place, and the word problems also we studied. Word problems, you have to write the steps and you have to do the problem also. And I think all are understood how to do the word problems of the subtraction of 4-digit numbers and the problems of 4-digit numbers. So you have to do the worksheet that I am giving as the textbook exercises, and you have to do the class test, and that notes are I am attaching with this video that you have to write down. And I think all are understood this class. So we will meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye.